Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter and dress to impress with this golden look. Okay, let's get into it guys. This is for the outfit, and first of all, for the hairstyle you can choose this one and also this one. And then for this hairstyle you can make it black, and you're going to put on this hairstyle and you can choose only bangs. And then you can do adjustment. You can follow my adjustment, and then for the color just make it black, and then this bangs, and you're going to do adjustment as well. You can copy this adjustment. Okay, and the next one, you're going to put on this necklace, make it this gold color, and then this necklace from the Valentine update, and then you're going to make it black, and this microphone, and then you're going to put on this top, make it black, and this boots you're going to make it like this, make it white and gold. Okay, and the next one, I'm going to put on this jacket from the masculine item. And then for the jacket you're going to apply this gold color for the second selection until the last selection, and then you're going to make it glitter. Sorry, for the first selection we can make it black. Okay, so it can create this look. All right, and then make it glitter. Okay, and then I'm going to go to this area and put on this skirt. We're going to apply white, and then we're going to apply black for the second selection and also the third selection. And then for the next one, I'm going to go to the dressing room, and we're going to choose go to the coats item, and then you're going to choose guys, it's still loading, sorry. Okay, you're going to choose this dress. You're going to choose the top, and then you're going to apply black for the first selection, and for the second selection you're going to make it gold. Okay, all right, and then this is for the final result. Okay guys, and that's all the way to recreate Zoey from Kpop Demon Hunter and dress to impress without VIP. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.